how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I've come across two very nice additions lately. Two pieces from the Chanel Coco Neige collection that are definitely too good not to share with you. So make yourself cozy with a hot drink or some gingerbread or whatever you like, and I hope that you will enjoy this dreamy unboxing. I can't wait to show you. Coco Neige is not only highly anticipated by the fashion industry, but usually also my favorite Chanel collection every year. Neige means snow in French, and it's so to say a bonus collection to the usual fall-winter collections. I just love all those cozy winter pieces in all the neutral shades of beige, creamy winter whites and grays, mixing winter sportswear with Parisian elegance. Skiing chic at its best, perfect for hitting the slopes in a dreamy snow getaway in the mountains. In this year's collection, we see soft to the touch velvet effect puffer jackets, quilted gloves, cashmere scarves, cute beanies, braided details, and fine knit underlayers. There are even black and white CC skis to ultimately complete the stylish snow bunny gear. I already loved the campaign shot by Jürgen Teller in Gabrielle Chanel's apartment at 31 Rue Cambon in Paris, but I even fell more in love with the collection when I got to try on a couple of pieces in a boutique in Vienna. The cardi I'm wearing today is also from the Coco Neige collection, but from last year, and it's one of my favorite pieces for winter, so soft and cozy. Alright, before we start with the unboxing, let me quickly show you some footage of the pieces that I got to try on. First up, I jumped into this fine knit wool turtleneck that I tried on in grey and black. Very beautifully made and lightweight on the skin, but I actually do prefer my knits a little bit more loose and oversized. Then I tried on the ski underlayers, and this zip-up fine knit came in two colorways, in black and white and in white and purple or burgundy. I think it was going more into the purple direction. Of course, I like the black and white one more and therefore tried this one on, and now when I look back at the footage, I actually really like this piece on me. What do you think? The reason why I ended up not taking it is that it had a hood that was not detachable, which I was not a fan of, so I would definitely have preferred it without the hood. There was another knit sweater with some CC turn locks on the shoulder, exactly like the closure on the back, and yes, you can actually open them. Didn't like the look of this that much, and the fact that my hair will get tangled up in this immediately led to a no-go decision. Not sure though if this was even part of Coco Neige. I don't think so. I've also tried on a white tweed cardi wired with a silver metallic thread and a pop of blush pink. Also, no clue from which collection that one was, probably also a leftover. It gave me a bit of bathrobe vibes as it came with that belt, so I also passed on this one. I've also seen that camel cashmere turtleneck, definitely my color, but for my personal taste it was a little bit too much with those tulips around the already quite big logo. Then we had this quilted puffer jacket with the alpaca collar, which looked absolutely gorgeous. The only thing that I would have changed is the length. I wish it would come in a longer version additionally to this cropped fit, as again I think it would look a little bit more cool and effortless if it wouldn't be that fitted. But sizing up also doesn't help because it's just getting wider and not that much longer. I tried it on in camel and black, but I think I like the camel one a little bit more. Which one do you think looks better? This jacket is made out of this velvety material that actually is not velvet. Never seen such a material before. It's very soft and interesting to the touch, and it's also shimmering a little bit in the light. I think I would prefer it to be matte though, but it still has an interesting look. The silver buttons were embellished with little crystals, and now that I'm looking at my buttons, it's actually exactly the reverse style when you compare it with mine, as they have the crystals outside and the CC is plain. And on the jackets, it was exactly the other way around, that the CC is crystallized and outside it's just plain silver. Really nice detail though. The price tag of this one is heavy. It is 7,950 euros. Still less than a small classic flap these days though. Then we also had some really nice bottoms. I loved these cashmere cotton mix corduroy jeans with the fluffy CC tag, but unfortunately I couldn't try them on because they were not available in my size. But I tried on another pair of jeans and these ones fitted perfectly, so they might be in here. So I would say, without further ado, let's have a look inside. Let's open up this ribbon here so that I can actually open it for you. I am loving the Chanel ready-to-wear packaging. These dust bags with the little black ribbon are just so cute. Alright, so let's have a look inside and show you what I got. So I took home with me a pair of white straight fit denim with mohair stitching on it. Never seen such a thread being used on jeans before. I think it gives such a nice wintry vibe. Let me open this up, but I'm probably also including some other footage that I can better show you how it looks like. But from the front, it is pretty plain. It only has this little silver button with the crystallized CC on here. It's the same one that we've seen on the jacket, so if you compare it with the buttons on my cardigan, as said before, it's exactly the other way around, but it's still a perfect match, I would say. And on the back pockets, as you've already seen, it has the CC logo stitched on the pockets. For me, this is the perfect amount of logo, as it is there, but it's not too much in your face. I think it looks really minimalistic and chic. The straight fit is very timeless, and I actually took it a size up for a more relaxed and casual loose fit. And just in case, to fit my Christmas cookies body in there as well without getting uncomfortable. I was looking for a pair of Chanel jeans for quite a while. Last time I tried one on was in Athens in spring this year, but I'm glad I didn't take them, as they came with a golden chain from top to bottom on the sides, where first of all I would have no clue how to clean that, and secondly, for my personal taste, it was a little bit too much and I would probably have ended up not wearing them. So I'm very happy with this find. I think this one works perfectly for all year round, also very nice for some cute spring looks. It's just the perfect elevated staple piece. I just hope that I won't ruin it with stains. But in this case, white might actually even be the easiest to be treated, as you could simply bleach it, whereas with black or gray colored jeans, you might risk to rub the color off when trying to clean it, and you would make it even worse. By the way, I also got a Chanel hanger for these pants. It wasn't included originally, but I asked for it and my essay was so nice to give me one. I thought that this is just nice to have. It is a velvety coated hanger with the little CC logo on top here. So just for you to know, if you're buying some ready to wear, don't be scared to ask for a hanger, because usually they are happy to give you one. Oh, and what I actually forgot to mention is that I got these tailored, as originally they were way too long for me. That's a complimentary service by Chanel when you are buying ready to wear, and about 2 weeks later I got to pick them up. How do you like it, guys? Do you think it was a good buy? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know your opinion. By the way, I've also seen that these jeans also come in a black variant with contrasting white stitching. Not a fan of this look though. Let's move on to the second piece then. This box actually has a quite interesting shape, so it's probably pretty hard to guess what is inside. This is something that I already wanted to get last year, but back then I was not fast enough, as it was immediately sold out. But actually I'm glad that I didn't get it then, as I like this year's design a bit more because it's less bulky. Alright, let's stop waffling and open this up so that you finally know what I'm talking about. So I got a very cute winter accessory, and it is a pair of the iconic Chanel earmuffs in the most beautiful cool tone beige, or actually greige tone. I mean, how cute are these, you guys? I love them. Let me remove this tag and show you some details. On the side, we have the interlocking CC logo stitched into the shearling lambskin. And on the inside, they're also all covered in the soft materials. Let me put them on for you so that you can see how they look on me. So my head is actually not that big, which is why sometimes I look a little bit stupid with earmuffs on. And the edition from last year would have probably not fitted me because they were a lot more plushy than this year's version, which is not that chunky. But let me show you from the side. I think they look super cute, but let me know what you think. They actually also come in a caramel beige tone I've seen in the app, which would have been a perfect match for my cardi, but unfortunately they were not available in Vienna. I think this one here was actually the only pair, so I knew that if I want them, I had to get them in that second, because a few minutes later probably somebody else would have bought them. I equally love this grey beige tone though. I think we all know by now that I anyways have a weak spot for all the neutrals, so super happy with this color, and I think it's actually also quite easy to style. I wasn't always a fan of earmuffs because I was wondering why people are wearing these, as they don't really keep your head warm, but as soon as I got my very first pair of earmuffs last year, I started to understand the idea of this product, because what makes this actually really practical is is the fact that they don't destroy your hair if you're wearing them like a beanie or a hat would do. And you also don't end up with the pattern of the hat on your forehead. Keeps the volume of my hair while keeping my ears warm. Perfect winter accessory, actually. These are the ones from UGG that I got last year, and they actually have integrated headphones, which is so nice. I was literally wearing them every day in winter last year. It's a pity that Chanel doesn't integrate headphones, but this is, so to say, the stylish variant, and this is the everyday music variant. I love them both. I think the color is quite different, as this goes more into a beige direction and this one is more on the bluish gray side. I will check if these are available again this year and leave you a link in the description box of this video if you're interested, but I can definitely recommend them. So nice. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let us know what adventures come. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments which piece is your favorite from this year's Coco Neige collection, and also let me know how you like the two pieces that I decided for. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel to not miss out on any upcoming ones. I'll hopefully see you soon again back here on my channel. Bye, guys!